good, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. This beater box today was $540 shipped. I believe it was $540. I got this one in the other day. This box, it was a struggle for me to get. I almost didn't cash out on this box. For some reason they getting harder and harder to get, at least on my end. But luckily we secured the box. So like I said, this box was $540 shipped from Soul Supremacy. Soul Supremacy is just a shoe store in the Bay Area, one of the best in the country. They started this whole mystery box thing, if I'm correct. We buy them every week on Sundays, and we bring y'all the videos whenever we can. I say we because it's a whole little beater box community. If you guys are unfamiliar, type in my boy Mitch. I'm pretty sure y'all already know Untied Hawaii, man. Y'all type in them guys and they'll pop right up. They do this thing way better than myself. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling and jump on in. $540 beater box, straight out of Soul Supremacy, man. Last box did all right. It was a $640 box shipped. It did pretty good. I was pretty happy with some of the kicks I had got in it, especially those anniversary 11s. Really happy with those. The homie cleaned them up for me really nice. All right, off top, close this knife, my little keychain knife. I can't never find a pocket knife when I need one, so I bought a keychain knife. First up, man, I got two pair without a box. I thought it was a good pair, but this right here kind of. First up, if I can find the other one. I thought this was something else. Man, we tearing up everything in here. You know what? I'm gonna get this. All right, first up, I got some Jordan 1s. From a distance, they look like bread ones. I guess they still are bread ones, but these are the ones that had the strap, the high strap in the back, and these do not come with the strap. The bottom still have a lot of stars on them. The bottom's still pretty clean. Overall, shoes not that bad. Size 11 on these. I already got some OG breads in my collection. This isn't a Jordan 1 that I would keep. But yeah, high strap Jordan 1s, first shoe without a box. Man, I should have did the shoes without a box last. These things is all at the bottom. Next up, we got some closing ceremony 11s, size 10, pretty dirty. We'll need a good cleaning. I'll see what I can do with that. The bottoms, a little yellowed. I've seen worse, I've seen better. But these are the closing ceremonies. The heel is creased up. Somebody is probably trying to squeeze in these. But yeah, what I tell y'all the size? Size 10 on these. Those are the only two without a box. I got a lot of 3-stripe boxes in here. Next up, I got a Chop Shop Neighborhood size 12. See if I can get this thing to focus. Size 12 on these Adidas Chop Shops. These are dead stock. Never had this shoe in hand. Really lightweight. Got the teeth or whatever they are on the back. Dead stock pair of Chop Shop in our neighborhood. The boost bottom. Still got the tags on them. So, anybody interested in these, let me know. Size 12 with the original box. With the original box. Alright. Let me go ahead and get these out of here. I got a 9.5 Jordan 10. The box is in good shape. We got the Bulls over Broadway. These things look to be dead stock. And I lied, they are not dead stock, but they are super close to dead stock. Look like somebody maybe tried these on in the store. They so clean. But I do see a little dirt on the bottom. Very clean shoe. Very dope colorway. Bulls over Broadway. 10s, size 9.5. These are nice. These probably would have been staying in my house if they would have been an 8 or 8.5. My wife been wanting these pretty bad. I don't know why she want them. All right, so I got another. This box is beat up. I got a look like an old Yeezy Paraphrase. So I already know what this is before I open it. I don't know what color. All right, we got the black Yeezy Paraphrase. That's crazy. A Yeezy Paraphrase in this box with the tag still on it, dead stock. These are size 9.5, and these right here was pretty easy for anyone to get, man. Pretty easy for anyone to get. These things are still sitting on the sites long after they dropped. I never had any in hand, but the leather is really soft on these. I actually like this shoe, man. It's a classic OG look. So Calabasas on the side. Yeezy Paraphrase 9.5. Box is beat up. Next up, I got a size 11 Jordan 5 low. Jordan 5 low, size 11. These look really clean. Have a little bit of creasing right here, but this is probably like my third time getting this particular pair in a box. The last two pair I got were beat and not my size. This is a size 11, but I won't be keeping these. The box is a little damaged. Look like somebody tried to hang the box on the wall. They got pinholes all in the bottom of the box. Size 11. I got 2 boxes left in here. Wow. I got another Yeezy. I got another Yeezy in here. The same shoe, size 12 this time. These look long for some reason. It's really a size 12. This is a size 12. These are dead stock. I'm not gonna pull the other one out just because I already showed you guys this shoe. But yeah, I just pulled 2 Yeezys out of a $500 box. Not no hype Yeezys, but still 2 Yeezys out of a $500 box. They'll sell really fast, so that's good. Paraphrase box. This box is a little better condition than the other one. Way better condition than the other one. Next up, I got another size 11. Last shoe in the box. And we got these camo 5s. These are not dead stock, so I'll pull out both of them. Had this shoe probably been a limited shoe or something like that, it would have sold out like crazy. I actually like this 5. I like the olive and I love red, so boom. Size 11 retro 5 in the camo colorway, super clean. I will not be keeping these, so these should be up on eBay. If you guys hit that eBay link, you'll see what's available on there, man. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, eBay, and Twitter at TGOTSOLE, even though I haven't not been active at all on Twitter, man. That's a lot of social media for me, but that's a lot. So anyway, y'all make sure y'all follow me on those platforms at TGOTSOLE. As always, thank y'all for coming back watching these videos. That will conclude this 540 box from Supremacy. I'm out. Peace.